Is the Alt and Tab key not switching between two windows anymore? Then this could indicate a software glitch or hardware issue. Luckily, there are a few ways to get it working again, and we will show you how in this video. Now usually, you will use the Alt key on the left side of your keyboard. So alternatively, use the Alt key on the right side of your keyboard instead. And if it is possible, you can also remove the key to deep clean underneath it. Next, restart Windows Explorer. To do so, open Task Manager, click on the Processes tab, locate Windows Explorer, right-click on it, then select Restart. After that, try the Alt and the Tab key all together again. Last on the list, you should try disabling sticky keys. To do that, you can open up Settings, click Accessibility, choose Keyboard, and then toggle off the sticky keys. Now those are the simple ways on how to fix Alt and the Tab key not working on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.